Hello, hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing some important 8th class science chapter number 8 exercise question answers, that is friction. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಘಟಕವಾದ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೂ ದೊರೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, fill in the blanks. First one, friction opposes the dash between the surface in contact with each other. Right answer, friction opposes the relative motion between the surfaces in contact with each other. Second, fill in the blanks. Friction depends on the dash of the surfaces. Friction depends on the nature of the surfaces. Third one, friction produces dash. Friction produces heat. Fourth one, the sprinkling of powder on the carom board dash friction. Right answer, the sprinkling of powder on the carom board reduces friction. Fifth one, sliding friction is dash than static friction. Right answer, less than. Question number 2, 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static and sliding frictions in decreasing order. Their arrangements are given below. Choose the correct answer arrangement. Option A, rolling, static, sliding. Rolling, sliding, static. Static, sliding, rolling. Sliding, static, rolling. Right answer, static, sliding, rolling. Question number 3, Alida runs her toy car on the dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be. Option A, we marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel. Second option, newspaper, towel, dry marble floor, wet marble floor. Option C, towel, newspaper, dry marble floor, wet marble floor. Option D, wet marble floor, dry marble floor, towel, newspaper. Right answer, wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel. Question number 4, suppose your writing desk is tilted a little. A book kept on it starts sliding down. Show the direction of friction force acting on it. Answer, frictional force is acting opposite to the movement of book, that is upwards. Question number 5, you spill a bucket of soapy water on a marble floor accidentally. Would it make it easier or more different for you to walk on the floor? Why? Right answer, Soapy floor reduces the frictional force applied by the floor to the maximum. That is why it is difficult to walk on the soapy floor. Question number 6. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. Right answer. Sportsmen use shoes with a spike to increase the friction so that their shoes do not slip while they run or play. Question number 7. Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box on the same floor. Who will have to apply a large force and why? Right answer. Seema will experience more frictional force because the heavy object will be pressed hard against the opposite surface and produces more friction. Question number 8. Explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. Right answer. Suppose a box kept on the surface has to be pushed. If the box is slide, then when the box is start sliding, the contact point on its surface do not get enough time to lock into the contact points on the floor. So the sliding friction is slightly less than the static friction and we find it easier to move the box already in motion than gets to it started, that is static friction. Question number 9. Give examples to show that friction is both a friend and a foe. Right answer. Friction is a friend because it allows us to walk comfortably on the ground. It allows us to grip and catch different objects. Things do not move from their places because of friction. Speeds of moving objects can be minimized or stopped by friction only. Friction is why because it wears out materials, whether they are screws, ball bearings, or soles of shoes. Second one, it also produces heat which increases the wear and tear of machine parts. It also causes much wastage of energy because this heat is not utilized. Next question. Explain why objects moving in fluids but must have specific shapes. Fluids must have specific shapes. Right answer. When objects move through fluids, they have to overcome friction acting on them. In this process, they lose energy. To minimize friction, objects are given specific shapes. Given specific special shapes. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter exercise question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.